The will he, won't he of where Ken Roczen is going to be racing this summer is over. He is fully announced that he is going to be running not just this year, but for the next 3 years, 23, 24, 25, he has committed to running World Supercross, which, yes, he did win last year, and this year he has shown that he's looking good in the Supercross, especially on the Suzuki. But it was kind of funny. They posted this photo right here, and it's like, okay, this is cool. Black, who is it? Who knows? It's kind of, wait for the decision. And then somebody did this, which is super funny. All they did was just lighten the photo, and you can see Red Bull helmet, looks like 94 on the plate. You can see some of the sponsors, and it was like, oh, well, it's Ken Roczen. Oh, big surprise. Super, super funny that somebody did that and ruined the whole thing. And he did say in his, whatever you want to call it, interview or whatever, saying, quote, "For Supercross to grow as a sport around the world, I think it's really important that more riders focus solely on the discipline, which is why I'm concentrating on the World Supercross Championship and the AMA Supercross Championship in the coming years. I feel like my riding this year has been as good as ever, and I'm excited to see what I can do when focusing on one speciality." Which to me kind of sucks, because that means you're going to see a lot more people trying to get only a Supercross or World Supercross contracts, which means the nationals in the summer, which personally I think are way more entertaining to watch, to go to. You're way closer. Everything's just, to me, more fun in person. Is going to lose a lot, because you're going to get a lot of the big riders just say, I don't want to ride in the middle of summer, in the middle of July, 100 degrees, and try and bust myself for 2 races a day. No. So as it's cool, yes. Am I going to watch these? Yes. Do I think it's going to kind of hurt a lot in the nationals? Also, yes. But you tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me whatever you think. You're excited he's racing it? Are you going to watch him? Are you sad that he's not racing the nationals? Are you going to any of the nationals? Whatever it is you want to do, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.